Hey guys, this is more cowbell with a multi-tool review. This is the Ganzo G202. I purchased this on Amazon for $14.95, sold by Ace Knife through Amazon. So comes in a nice little pouch, snap. There you go. It's got quite a few different features. Pliers, wire cutter. It's got some good jimping on the outside for traction. I haven't really had a chance to do anything with this yet. Got all sorts of little accessories on here. It also comes with various bits for like Allen bits, flat, Phillips, I believe. Oh man, that really is in there. There we go. I believe you put that on there. Okay, that's magnetic. And then you can use your various bits in that. So yeah, that's kind of nice. It's a magnetic deal. Fairly handy. But various different blades and things on here. I don't use multi-tools too often, but for $14.95, I thought this might be a handy thing to keep in the rig, just in case, you know. It's got these different design scissors. So kind of flips around backwards there for folding it up. But anyway, that's it. Seems pretty well made for $15. I got Amazon Prime, so I believe that was on Prime. I think it had free shipping, so not a bad deal. So thanks guys. Bye-bye.